Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about the Microsoft OneDrive. So this is Microsoft's cloud-based storage. So a few things that are important to note. You have to have a Microsoft account and you get 5 gigs free of online storage. OneDrive is included in Windows 10. Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud-based storage system where corporate users or home users can access and store data in the cloud. OneDrive will allow users up to 5 gigs of free storage without any form of subscription. You can always purchase greater storage if you want to pay for it. You have to have a Microsoft account to access OneDrive. So I am in my Windows machine. OneDrive is installed by default. And I'm going to go ahead and create a Microsoft account. I want to sign up for free. And I will use my Gmail account to do this. I will go ahead and fill in my information. And I will wait for my confirmation code. Alright, the code is loading. 013. And I have verifying my account. Alright, that's really dumb. So he's kind of on all fours. He's on all fours. And it looks like he is up straight. Sometimes they get really ridiculous with verifying that you're a person, and it gets very aggravating. Alright, so this is my OneDrive. Again, this is just cloud storage. You can pay for it if you want. I want to go ahead and make a So this is all going to be done through the web portal. Problem is, I don't want to work like that. Maybe I want to actually sign in to the desktop application that is already installed in Windows 10 by default. Sure, you'll get a new directory. Notice, student is the name of my user. So just putting it in my current user directory. And it's asking me, what do I want to sync? You can have it auto sync your desktop documents and pictures if you want. I don't. It's gonna push you paying for it. I'm gonna ignore all of the pushes. And the nice thing is, read the icons. If it is the cloud, blue cloud, it's only viewable online. You can also have certain files only on the device, or you can have things available on the device as well as online. If you make it offline accessible, as you're traveling, you can be working on it, and the next time you have internet access, it will sync back up online. If you have a mobile app, you can set up the mobile version, and you will notice, again, clouds mean it's online available. If I lose internet, I can't access my files. Here's the test 2 that I just created. So I'm going to go ahead and make a test file, test 5. Notice it's taken a second. It copied over. I'm going to go ahead and go back into my Edge, and I'm going to verify. So I will refresh. I will go into my test 2. And there is my text document. So you can play with it however you want. You can also edit it. I want to open it in a text editor. And you'll notice doing certain things actually will allow you to use a online application. So opening it up in a text editor opened up essentially Notepad or a cloud version of Notepad, so I can edit it right through the browser. If I open it up on my desktop, my changes are there. So that is kind of the power of using OneDrive. If you have Microsoft Office installed, you can also set OneDrive to be the default location for all of your Office files. I'm also going to look at some options. So when you're looking at OneDrive, you have the ability to look at settings, pause syncing, upgrade, of course, view the contents online, or you can unlock or lock Personal Vault. Personal Vault is just personal detail or personal files that you may not want uploaded or left insecure. So you'll notice here, Personal Vault also sets up two-step authentication. Personal Vault is a way to store personal and sensitive files. This is new in OneDrive. So with this, it will update OneDrive, and then it will do the installation portion that it needs as a function. And you'll notice as you're doing this, the little sync button down here will go ahead and go through it. Again, it's going to verify identity again. Waiting for the email to come in. Not getting started. I want the verification code. One thing that I will say I dislike about OneDrive is when you're having to do codes, sometimes it takes its sweet time to deliver the code. Alright, still waiting. Yeah, the sad part is this can be a few minutes. I've had this take over an hour before. Alright, finally came through. And you'll notice unlocking the personal vault goes through multiple steps. As you do anything, it locks and unlocks as necessary. And again, it will auto lock after 30 minutes. Again, getting that nitty-gritty into OneDrive at the moment is not the point of this video. I just wanted to walk you through the basics of OneDrive so that you at least have a basic understanding of how OneDrive functions. Alright, that is it for this video. Any questions, any concerns, please reach out. Again, OneDrive is cloud-based storage. You have to have a Microsoft account, and by default, without a subscription, you get 5 gigs of free cloud-based storage. Any questions, concerns? Let me know.